Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jenny Paola Delgado Rincon. This is my video about activity number 3, purchase process. Purchase process. Below is a list of key steps in the purchase process. First, requesting purchase requisition. This phase deals with identifying the need, what's going to buy, how much of it, and when it is needed for. Second, supplier selection. You can choose among the suppliers you have assigned. Making purchase order. Informing the supplier of the intent to purchase. Check the sheet before sending because this order has to be correct. Fourth, authorizing purchase order. The purchasing manager has to approve the purchase order. Fifth, notifying approval. The purchasing manager sends notification and could make some changes. Sending purchase order to a supplier. The purchase order going to identify the items being procured, the quantity required, and the price being paid. And handling. The supplier going to then dispatch the goods to a company. Advice. The company has to monitor the status of the shipment. Goods received. Check all products and verify the shipment is correct. Supplier invoice payment. The supplier going to issue an invoice and can be paid in the time indicated. Thank you, teacher. Bye.